Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. In today's video, I'm going to highlight one of my biggest struggles as a Cameroonian mom of 4 with no house help. But first, I woke up this morning and decided to make beans. You guys know I do a lot of meal prepping, but today I was like, I will pick these beans and I will just tap my fingers and boom, the beans will be ready. That's how it happened. Magic. So I made beans today for my kids and myself, for my family in general. And while I was making these beans, I was wondering, beans, is it protein or carbohydrates? The argument has overstayed. The beans should come and tell us, are you protein or are you carbohydrates? Me, I believe that you are both. And I still decide to add more protein because some people say they cook beans without protein. But me, I will still add protein. And then I know that you are still protein and carbohydrates. Anyways, do you see that one potato shooting there? It's for Joshua. The mind of a mom, it works like clockwork, like it's constantly ticking. When I was boiling rice, I was like, what's Jojo going to eat? I just shot one potato in the pot. You guys, this is me going to the hospital to get my teeth checked up. Where do I want to start this conversation from? I've had issues with my teeth for a while, and when it starts to pain, my God. So I went back to the same hospital where they did the filling for my teeth. I had a hole in my teeth that was really causing me a lot of problems, and so they had to fill it. They checked it and saw that it was not bad, so they could fill it, right, instead of removing the tooth completely. So this is me just sitting outside and waiting for them to attend to me. I got called inside and I had a long conversation with the doctor that was attending to me, and I realized that the person that did my teeth filling was not even a doctor, it was a student, somebody. That alone just really turned me off. And in fact, before I even came to this particular hospital for my treatment, I didn't want to. I got encouragement from a couple of people around me to go there, but I have closed a chapter with this particular hospital and I have another one in mind, which I'm not going to recommend or call the name, but I'll go there and do the tooth filling, cleaning. And then my conversation with the doctor made me realize that my daughter also needs an urgent dentist visit. In fact, all my children, they have never been to a dentist, which I don't think is great. But I also just want to be careful. You see, some things anyways, now me this, I don't enter bakery. I see my buy burger and banana bread. I've just remembered that I keep doing my vlogs and I'm not marketing my digital product. You guys, I created my first digital product and it has been so amazing. I currently have, I think, 23 or 24 people who are taking that course. It's a YouTube course which is meant for my dear beloved Cameroonian women. If you are watching this vlog and you want to start a YouTube channel, I am your plug. Yes, I'm saying it because I have worked with so many women. I understand how to deal with different people who have different visions and ideas for their YouTube channel. So come to me, okay? The course is generally 30,000 francs, but now it's on discount for 10,000 francs. You get access to the course, and then you also get access to my WhatsApp mentorship forum. Okay, I just thought to put this out here. I film videos and I don't talk about it, and I go ahead and run Facebook ads. Meanwhile, I have an audience here where they can actually be someone who wants, you guys see the complication of customers. I am a complicated customer today. I told this girl to remove the first banana. Why? Watching this video, why did I put her through that stress? She had to remove all the 2 banana breads behind because I told her that I wanted this first one that I'm seeing. That's the one that has attracted me. Why? I'm sorry, my lady. Hi. Customer is king. Customers disturb a lot. I feel it. I feel for her. She had to now start arranging the other one back. Anyways, I finished from here and then I went back home to continue my mommy life. In the next clips, I am going to talk about what my struggle is, what I face as a mom. Whenever I come to this place, you guys, the way their things are organized, the smell inside this lancement, I don't know. Even though I actually want to stop eating things like this, but we'll talk about this in another video. Yeah, so I left here and then went back home and continued my mommy duties. I'm so sorry, the lady at Langsema. I apologize for making you to have to. No, I can't watch it. Bye, guys. Let's get this clip like this. It's enough.
Yeah, egg bang building. You know, yeah, yeah. Never seen a God like you, yeah, yeah. Give me everything I need, yeah, yeah. No one else can compete, no, 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 no. You're good in all your ways. I follow you, no delay. You're the way, the truth, and life, so I chose you. Tu es mon sauveur, mon roi, mon roi, mon roi. En toi j'ai ma foi, ma foi, ma foi. Rien ne peut comparer à ton amour. 24/7 toujours, tu es là pour moi. Tell me why shall I feel? Yeah. You are the way, the truth, and life. You got the whole world in your hands. Yeah. You are the way, the truth, and life. You got the whole world in your hands.
Oh my God. Hey, Michelle. My name's Daniel.
Daniel. Oh, no, girl, let me try to close them. Ethan and Zoe. Who is going to help me to dry these clothes?
Me.
The person will know if you do nothing, I than me.
Nana.
I mean, my major problem now is where to dry them because I've dried outside. You guys, I'm sitting here because these are clothes in for us, those clothes. I've dried these ones, I'm still drying. There's a bit of space left on the stand, you see, but there's still a lot more clothes and this space on the stand will not be enough, so I calculate what it could be. Drying it inside the house. I have some ropes inside the house, but it will be dripping on the floor and these kids are running around. Daniel, you cannot help me, Daddy. Go back inside, please. You cannot help me. Thank you for offering to help. Help me arrange the parlor. Pick up all the toys you hear. That's what you can do.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Weke. So what do I do? There's no toys on the ground. Are you sure? Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. Mama, you don't have to cry. Ethan, it's not about shouting. Sort it out. You people should share the space.
She doesn't want to share me the space. She even has more space than me.
Mama.
Don't you magically have more space? You have two chairs. You having two chairs.
I go fit. Hey, I no be studying law for school. Why am I solving disputes every day in my house? Every day I'm becoming counselor, lawyer, police officer. My goodness. Well, this is not even the main problem I wanted to talk about, but I go talking about two problems now. One of my biggest issue, the struggle that I've been dealing with is laundry. I beg you, can't tell me say the laundry life the end at some point. This washing, why will I empty a basket of clothes? I wash it, and then by the time the kids have their bath, the basket is almost halfway full. Why? Answer me if you know why. And then now this is me trying to wash the clothes. Rain is falling, so I can't use the ropes outside. Now I have to crack my head to think of where to dry them. And while I'm cracking my head to think of where to dry them, I'm now having to solve dispute, internal family conflict between siblings. Why? When will it end? You guys, I'm laughing like this, but it's not funny. Especially the laundry part. What? You guys, nah, I cannot can. It's a lot. It is a lot. You know, I've never had to deal with laundry like this because I've always had help. I've always had somebody that does laundry for the entire house. And then if should in case the person fails, I've always had like Sister Tati that me and her will go ahead and share and do the laundry together, you see. So it would not be on me. Sometimes when my husband is coming back from work, he will be like, okay, sort out this particular set of clothes. I'm coming back, I'll wash them. But even at that, it's a lot. The laundry is a lot. I have 4 children. So we're 6 of us. Me, my husband, and my 4 kids. Hey! Mama mia. Okay, oh. Come, stand up. No, stand up. Come. Okay. So you come and make him to walk to me, please. Just start taking there and then make him to walk this way. Ele. Why are you dangwa-dangwaing? Jojo. What is it? Leave my bag alone. I'll surely just give Joshua food because we might end up staying out. Should I put you food or not? Jojo, should I give you food? Should I? Should I give you food?
Using a map feels more fun. Look, I found all 4 fishing rods. We have to go fishing? You get to go fishing.
So we are planning Joshua's first birthday, and we wanted to get him some clothes that he could wear for his birthday, and just generally clothes as he's turning 1. So we found this lady on TikTok. She's a TikTok vendor. She directed us her house. We went there, looked at some things. We came to this place where we could rent boards for his birthday, because the idea was to do his birthday at home. It's going to be a small birthday party, or it was a small birthday party because it has already passed. So we wanted to get a board where we could print an image of him. I'm going to design that image myself. I would use ChatGPT or any of these other AI tools to do that. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Yeah, so we came here to just find out how much we rent chairs and boards, just to do a backdrop, get balloons and all of that. Yeah, that's the mission of today. Thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.